In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF read out loud. This is really useful if you prefer listening instead of reading, if you're multitasking, or if you need accessibility support. I'll walk you through the process using tools that are built into most PDF readers, so you don't need any special technical skills to follow along. First, open the PDF file you want to listen to in a desktop PDF reader, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader. Most browsers can open PDFs, but they often don't have the best text-to-speech options, so using a dedicated PDF application is usually more reliable. Once your PDF is open, take a moment to check that the text is actually selectable. Try dragging your mouse across a line of text. If it highlights individual words and letters, your PDF contains real text that can be read aloud. If it only highlights the whole page like an image, the file may be a scanned document. In that case, you'll need to run Optical Character Recognition, or OCR, in your PDF tool before it can be read out loud. Now, let's turn on the Read Aloud feature. In Adobe Acrobat Reader, look for the View menu at the top of the window. Click it, then look for an option called Read Out Loud, or something very similar. When you see it, select the option to activate or enable it. This tells the program to get ready to use the built-in voice on your device. After enabling it, you usually have two main choices. You can have it read just the current page, or read the entire document from where you are. Choose Read this page only if you just want to listen to a specific section, or Read to end of document if you're ready to listen to everything from that point onward. As the PDF is being read, you can use the playback controls like you would with media. Use your keyboard's pause or stop shortcuts, or return to the same view and Read Out Loud menu to pause, stop, or change which section is being read. You can scroll while it's reading to follow along visually. If the voice is too fast, too slow, or hard to understand, you can adjust it in your computer's system settings under Speech or Accessibility options. There, you can usually change the reading speed and select a different voice. Finally, when you're done, go back to the same menu and turn off the Read Aloud feature so it doesn't start unexpectedly the next time you open a PDF.